I hope you're enjoying reading the article for All Things Home about staging and my experience behind the scenes and then also with my son. It was quite interesting to have that dynamic. For many years, I've been doing this for 20 years, so for the majority of his life, he knew what I did but didn't know what I did. So I really wanted to give you guys a sense of the things that you can do, obviously, to stage your home. All these things are small things, they have big impact, but they truly make a difference. So if you're reading this article and you're thinking, you know what, I'm not moving, I want to stay where I am because I love my house, but there's a couple of things that I want to change in my house, you can do and take the same philosophy that you read in the article to your house. So these things that we're doing, the backsplash that you peel and stick backsplash, moving furniture around, editing, decluttering. It really doesn't just have to be for staging. It can be for your home as well, for you to enjoy every day. And I hope that this inspires you, be it if you're selling or if you're staying in your home. And it's been a pleasure sharing my story with you.